Hello dear students, welcome to Exigence Educator. So this is the first session of this new year and let us start today's class with new hopes, new aspirations and positive vibes. So let us start, shall we? So today we will cover the best 200 current affairs of January part 1. So as you all know, we had some part left of December, right? So basically we will cover from 27th December today, okay? Today we'll cover from 27th December 27th to 9th January, all right, to 9th January, okay. So let us start the session. So as you all know, you will get the PDF in the Telegram channel and here you will get the link of today's class, okay, so that you can watch it again and again for your revision purpose. So this is today's first question. Indian Coast Guard has recently signed MOU with dash Asian countries for cooperation in maritime search and rescue operations. So what will be my answer? With how many countries, with how many Asian countries has Indian Coast Guard signed MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding? So my answer will be 7, right? So this is a cutting from the Hindu, okay. So this is a unique feature of our current affairs class. So you will get reference from the newspapers directly, okay. So Coast Guard signs pact with Asian countries for cooperation in maritime search and rescue, okay. So there are 7 Asian countries with which MOU has been signed, alright. Next, recently the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020 has been given to. So Eminent Engineer Award, very important, mark this question as very important, okay, from the exam point of view. So this has been given to whom? You must be quite acquainted with the name. Who is he? The person is none other than VK Yadav. Who is Vinod Kumar Yadav? See, I have given a reference, I have given a hint below. See, he was the ex-chairman and CEO of Railway Board. So he previously served as the general manager for South Central Railway Zone of Indian Railways. So after that he was the chairman and CEO. Now recently you will check the news, you can see in the news that Sunit Sharma, okay, Sunit Sharma is the new CEO and chairman of Railways Board. So VK Yadav has been replaced by Sunit Sharma, okay. Sunit Sharma is the new chairman and CEO of Railways Board, right. So you need to note down some extra information which I tell during the current affairs classes, okay. So name the country's first indigenously designed and developed. So what is the meaning of indigenously? You need to understand the meaning of indigenously first. Indigenously means made within one's country, okay. We say homegrown or homemade, that is made within India, okay. So this has been made by, developed and designed by DRDO. See, I have given in the bracket, okay. So this is a air droppable container and it was tested very recently. This is also important, not very important but important, okay, but important from the exam point of view. So what will be my answer? See, I have given some confusing options, you may get confused but you should not get confused during the examination. Keep your head cool, ठीक है, दिमाग जो आपका दिमाग है वो ठंडा रखना है, ठीक है. तो कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके आंसर दीजिएगा. आंसर क्या होगा इसका? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सहायक एनजी. सी, एक और पेपर कटिंग देखिए. DRDO इंडियन नेवी conduct सक्सेसफुल मेडन ट्रायल ऑफ सहायक एनजी एयर ड्रॉपेबल कंटेनर. very important, okay, for any defense exams. If you are an aspirant of defense exams, this is a must question. This can obviously come, okay, and this can also be asked in SSC or railway exams, okay, and for banking exams it is important, but for SSC, railway, defense exams these are quite important, more important, okay. So you can also have a look at the paper cutting here, it has been highlighted, all right. Name the Indian space startup company that has successfully test fired a solid propulsion rocket engine जिसका नाम है Kalam 5, okay. So the name of the solid propulsion rocket engine is Kalam 5, and what is the name of the Indian space startup? The name of the startup is Skyroot Aerospace. Again a reference from the newspaper. See, India's first ever privately designed and developed rocket is a step closer to becoming a reality in 2021. Skyroot Aerospace. Fine. Kalam 5 uses the same propellant materials and interface as the motors, okay, that will be installed on Vikram 1. So important news, okay. And this is also important. See, Skyroot Aerospace is backed by Myntra founder Mukesh Bansal, okay. So Skyroot Aerospace related important facts: founded on 12th June 2018, headquarters is in Hyderabad, Telangana, and founders are P.K. Chandan and N.B. Dhaka, okay. Next, recently who has won the Tansen Samman? Very important. Be it banking exams, SSC exams, railway exams, very important, okay. So what will be my answer? My answer will be none other than Pandit Satish Vyas, okay. In Madhya Pradesh, 96th Tansen Music Festival began in Gwalior with strict COVID-19 guidelines in place. In the inaugural ceremony, renowned santur player, see, santur player, so examiner ये भी पूछ सकता है आपसे, so he is associated with which musical instrument, okay. Options दे देगा आपको, flute, santur, tabla, okay. So Pandit Satish Vyas is a renowned santur player, okay, santur player. So he has been conferred the prestigious Tansen Samman, okay. The new building of Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center was inaugurated at. So you have to mention the place where this has been inaugurated, okay. So the name will be Bengaluru, okay. It has been inaugurated at Bengaluru city. Are you getting my point? Okay. How to remember this? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, B, you have B here, right? So and Bengaluru starts with B. So in this way you can form your own tricks, right, to remember. समझे? चलिए next one. Name the state that has recently launched DigiNest. Another important question. Mobile application to enable people to have digital access to the directory of the state government. Okay. DigiNest किसने लॉन्च किया है? कौन सा राज्य ने लॉन्च किया है DigiNest? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका पंजाब. पंजाब CM, see, Amrinder Singh has launched it. So this can also be asked in the examination like this: who has launched it? Who has launched the DigiNest mobile application? Okay. So आपका आंसर तब हो जाएगा Amrinder Singh. Fine. Next, name the state government that has recently launched Kishan Fasal Rahat Yojana, crop relief scheme. Crop relief scheme. Okay. राहत का मतलब है relief. Okay. The term rahat translates to relief, and fasal is crop, and yojana is obviously scheme. So Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana is farmers crop relief scheme. The answer will be Jharkhand. Okay. So if you want to have a look at the details कि ये जो स्कीम है इसमें क्या क्या है, आप एक बार ये पढ़ लीजिएगा, ठीक है. ये इंडियन एक्सप्रेस से मैंने लिया है. प्लीज गो थ्रू इट, ओके, द मेंशन पोर्शन, ओके. नेक्स्ट, name the solar energy firm that has recently signed agreement with Delhi government and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to solarize schools in Delhi. Another important question, because it is related to solar energy, right? A renewable source of energy. So quite important from the exam point of view. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका Oak Ridge Energy. Oak Ridge Energy. See, a paper cutting. 1000 schools में solar power plants ये setup होगा, okay. So and see, this is a bit more detailed manner from the newspaper, okay. So एक बार देख लीजिएगा ये, ठीक है, PDF में आपको मिल जाएगा. Dash has launched Global Pravasi Rishta portal and mobile application to connect Indian diaspora across the world. ये नाम से कुछ पता चलता है? ये नाम में ही एक हिंट है आपके लिए. जो नाम है ग्लोबल प्रवासी रिश्ता पोर्टल, फाइन, टू कनेक्ट द इंडियन डायस्पोरा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. ये थोड़ा देखिए, इफ यू डोंट नो द आंसर यू कैन इजीली गेस क्या क्या हो सकता है. होम अफेयर्स नहीं होगा, टेक्सटाइल नहीं होगा, एजुकेशन भी नहीं होगा, टूरिज्म या एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स में आएगा, ठीक है. बिकॉज देखिए, ग्लोबल ठीक है, देन टू कनेक्ट द इंडियन डायस्पोरा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. ओके, so my answer will be external affairs ministry, MEA, ministry of external affairs. okay, so my answer will be ministry of external affairs. so ऐसे भी आप एलिमिनेट करके भी आंसर कर सकते हैं एग्जाम में, इफ यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ द, सॉरी, इफ यू डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट आंसर. बट प्लीज माय फ्रेंड, माय डियर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, डू नॉट मार्क आउट ऑफ कंप्लीट गेस. ओके, कंप्लीट 100% गेस वर्क मत कीजिएगा. ओके, बिकॉज ईच मार्क, 1 मार्क इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि 0.25 के लिए भी लोगों का सिलेक्शन रुक जाता है. सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल ड्यूरिंग द मेंस. डैश इन एसोसिएशन विथ ICICI Prudential Life. okay, so I have by mistake mentioned it already, the answer. So the answer slide has been given before. So dash in association with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance launched term life insurance plans on its platform. So इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ICICI Prudential Life Insurance के साथ, देखिए इसका हिंट क्या है? ICICI Prudential P है इसमें, और यहाँ पे आंसर में भी P है. ओके, सो फोन पे के साथ ये टाई अप है, एसोसिएशन है. ओके, सो इट इज फॉर ₹149 ओनली. फिनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस से मैंने लिया है, एक बार देख लीजिएगा. ठीक है, इसमें सारा डिटेल्स है. ओके, सो वी हैव 60 क्वेश्चंस टुडे. सो यू आर ऑलरेडी नोइंग द आंसर ऑफ दिस वन बिफोर द क्वेश्चन. सो 59 में आपका क्या स्कोर होता है एक बार नोट कर लीजिएगा. आउट ऑफ 59 हाउ मच you are able to score. Okay, next, name the state that has won the best performing state in annual awards for excellence in implementation of PMAY, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन मिशन. ओके, सो क्या होता है एक्चुअली, हड़बड़ी में मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया, स्लाइड का सीक्वेंस चेंज हो गया है. ओके, फाइन. सो एक्चुअली आई एम हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स एट हैंड. ओके, फ्रॉम ग्रेड अप, IPS गाइड, देन युवा प्लस. ओके, क्योंकि युवा प्लस पे मैं भी पढ़ाता हूँ करंट अफेयर्स, सो वहाँ पे भी मैं पढ़ाता हूँ. सो थोड़ा हेक्टिक शेड्यूल चल रहा है अभी, दैट्स वाई. सो नो इशू. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? देखिए इसका आंसर हो जाएगा यूपी, उत्तर प्रदेश, बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टेट इन एनुअल अवार्ड्स फॉर एक्सेलेंस इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन. Okay, UP shines, pardon my pronunciation. Okay, best performing state UP, MP, Andhra Pradesh, and best performing municipal council ये हो जाएगा मिर्जापुर. नाम तो सुना ही होगा मिर्जापुर का if you have watched the Mirzapur series. Okay, then Jhumri Telaiya, then Dongargarh. Okay, these are the municipal councils. If they ask you municipal council, then मिर्जापुर विल बी द आंसर ऑफ यूपी. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्या है. नेम द कंट्री दैट विल को चेयर द IUCN, इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर, IUCN सपोर्टेड एशिया प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज पार्टनरशिप, APAP. सो इसका क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? वेरी इजी, दिस इज द इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. द आंसर विल बी इंडिया. ओके, इंडिया विल बी द को चेयर, राइट. नेक्स्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू ब्लूमबर्ग बिलियनियर्स इंडेक्स, the richest person of Asia, mind it, this is the richest person of Asia I am asking. इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? So richest person of Asia, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा Hong Shanshan. Okay, Hong Shanshan. So Z is silent here, right? Hong Shanshan. And at present the wealthiest person, who is he in the world? Elon Musk. You must have seen in the news, Elon Musk, entrepreneur. Okay, Elon Musk, fine, founder of Tesla, SpaceX. So it is also an important news. Elon Musk, richest in the world. He has surpassed Jeff Bezos, right? Next, who has recently been appointed the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? So Railway Board का नया जो chairman और CEO मैंने कुछ देर पहले बताया था आपको. I have discussed moments back, so it will be easy for you to answer. So you can count your marks in 58. Already you are knowing the answer of 2 questions. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सुनीत शर्मा. ठीक है, सुनीत शर्मा, न्यू चेयरमैन एंड सीईओ ऑफ रेलवे बोर्ड. पहले कौन था? So this can also be asked. Sunit Sharma replaced whom? He replaced VK Yadav. Okay. Next, Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC has unveiled Khadi India's official e-commerce site. So Khadi India का official जो site है वो अनवेल किया गया है. इट हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड. सो इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? नाम है ekhadiindia.com. ekhadiindia.com. See, it is a cutting from screenshot from the Live Mint. KVIC unveils e-commerce portal for Khadi Village Industries products. Okay. For details, you can just go through it. Recently, Dash signed an MOU with National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited for marketing the horticulture products के लिए. So इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? आंसर हो जाएगा जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. राइट, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे एक आंसर बताइएगा. सो सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स, just mention one product of Jammu and Kashmir that got the GI tag. Okay, if possible do mention it in the comment section, in the comments below. Okay, in the comment section do mention it. एक GI tag वाला प्रोडक्ट जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से क्या होगा कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताइएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, नेम द बैंक with which RuPay has partnered so as to launch an innovative payment solution for Indian merchants. The नाम क्या होगा इसका? RuPay POS, that is point of sales in association with Pay Nearby. So इंडियन मर्चेंट्स के लिए जो है इसका नाम क्या है? देखिए, इसका नाम है RuPay POS. So this is an important keyword and it is in association with Pay Nearby. This is also an important keyword. So बैंक का नाम है RBL Bank. The name is RBL Bank and the name of this solution is point of sales RuPay POS and in association with Pay Nearby. Very, very important, and you are getting to know 4 keywords: RuPay POS, Pay Nearby and RBL Bank. Fine. So try to learn in this manner. Dash has been set as the base year by the Reserve Bank of India for Digital Payment Index. So कौन सा ईयर को RBI ने बेस ईयर मेंशन किया है very recently? The answer is 2018 has been kept as the base year. Okay, for Digital Payment Index. Next, Government of India has signed $231 million loan agreement with whom? Asian Development Bank, to enhance the power generation capacity in which state? कौन से राज्य में ये किया गया है? कौन से राज्य के लिए? आंसर हो जाएगा आपका असम. ओके, द आंसर इज असम. इंडिया एंड ADB. So this is a screenshot from AIR News. India and ADB sign USD, that is US dollar 231 million dollar loan agreement, $1 million loan agreement for Assam. Okay, next, recently India's first pollinator park was inaugurated in which state? in इंडिया का सबसे जो पहले ये हुआ. देखिए, वट एवर क्वेश्चन इट मे बी, जब भी फर्स्ट लग जाएगा इसका इंपॉर्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इंडियाज फर्स्ट पॉलिनेटर पार्क. ओके, माइंड इट. सो ये हो जाएगा आपका उत्तराखंड. इंडियाज फर्स्ट पॉलिनेटर पार्क ओपन्स इन उत्तराखंड हल्द्वानी डिस्ट्रिक्ट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हल्द्वानी. ओके, नेक्स्ट, name the bank that topped in India as per Banking, Financial Services and Insurance Movers and Shakers 2020 report released by Wizk has released this report, and the name of this bank is HDFC Bank, none other than HDFC Bank. Okay, name the bank that has introduced Travel Now, a one-stop travel marketplace on its DigiBank app. So I have covered almost all the important questions. All these questions are very important, and if possible please watch this video again, okay, for revision purpose at 1.25 speed. ठीक है, so my answer will be DBS Bank, and of course Sachin Tendulkar is the brand ambassador of DBS Bank. So this can also be asked in the examination because it is related to this news, right? Who is the brand ambassador? Sachin Tendulkar, right? Next, name the country's first of its kind digital platform. Again, important one, first of its kind. ठीक है, digital platform for ocean data management that was virtually launched by Minister of Earth Science Harshvardhan. So ये भी आ सकता है, पूछ सकता है एग्जामिनर, ये भी पूछ सकता है who has launched it. So Harshvardhan has launched it. So answer will be डिजिटल ओशन, डिजिटल ओशन, ठीक है, आंसर हो जाएगा आपका डिजिटल ओशन, ओके। एंड इट इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल सेंटर फॉर ओशनिक इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज, ओशनिक इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विसेज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नेक्स्ट, Dash became India's 67th chess grandmaster after winning his third and final norm at Vargani Cup in Italy. So India's 67th chess grandmaster, very very important. My answer will be 66th is, as far as I remember, G Akash, and 67th is Leon Mendonca. Okay, just 14-year-old. ठीक है, and perhaps he's from Goa, I guess. Yes, from Goa. ठीक है, he's from Goa. Next, name the state that is going to host 4th Global Ayurveda Summit. 4th Global Ayurveda Summit, again important one, another important question. 4th Global Ayurveda Summit कौन सा स्टेट होस्ट करेगा, कौन सा राज्य है जो होस्ट करेगा? सो इट विल बी केरला, केरला, ओके। नेक्स्ट, रिसेंटली हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड द फर्स्ट वुमन चेयरमैन ऑफ SAIL, सेल? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा शोमा मंडल. She will take over as the chairperson of the Maharatna PSU. Maharatna, important thing. Okay, I'm coming to it later. PSU from Anil Kumar Chaudhary, who retires in December. So Anil Kumar Chaudhary has retired in December. So Shoma Mandal will take over the charge, rather has taken over the charge, and she has replaced Anil Kumar Chaudhary. So Maharatna, Mini Ratna and Navratna, these three categories. So I have added a picture. It will be helpful for you to remember difference between Maharatna, Navratna and Mini Ratna. Mini Ratna has two categories, category 1 and category 2. Please, please, please go through it. Very important. Okay. एग्जाम में पूछ सकता है, ठीक है, महारत्ना, नवरत्ना, मिनी रत्ना. सो ये एलिजिबिलिटी जो कैटेगरी होता है ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. Recently, the virtual Agri India Hackathon 2020 was inaugurated in New Delhi by whom? So, who has inaugurated the virtual Agri India Hackathon? So, it is none other than Narendra Singh Tomar. Okay, Narendra Singh Tomar. Fine. Agri India Hackathon कौन inaugurate करेगा? Narendra Singh Tomar के अलावा. Fine. It is quite easy, isn't it? Next, name the state or UT or Union Territory that has set up Tamil Academy to promote language and culture of the Tamil Nadu state. So क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? Tamil Nadu, isn't it? Isn't it? No, my friend, the answer will not be Tamil Nadu. Okay, so it's a tricky one, and if you are tricked already, then I have been successful in tricking you. Okay, so Tamil Academy, Tamil Nadu state के जो language और culture है इसके लिए it has been set up. So it has been done by Delhi, not Tamil Nadu. ठीक है, as the name suggests, it is not Tamil Nadu, it is Delhi. Okay, don't get confused. ठीक है, this is a tricky one. Fine. Next, which platform is said to become the longest railway station of the country? Very very important. Longest railway platform of the country. So my answer is Hubballi railway station. Okay, and the length is 1505 meters. देखिए, already mentioned. Okay, 1505 meters, so more than 1500 meters. Very very important. Hubballi railway station. Okay, Karnataka's Hubballi junction. It will be the longest, ठीक है, in India. Name the country that has recently passed the Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act. Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act. You know who is she, right? Pakistani activist. So this has been done by USA, okay, the United States. So US Congress has passed the Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act, which will expand the number of scholarships available to Pakistani women to receive higher education under a merit and needs based program. Passed by the House of Representatives in March 2020, the bill was passed by the United States Senate by a voice vote on 1st January. Okay. The bill requires the US Agency for International Development to award at least 50% of scholarships under a Pakistan-based higher education scholarship program to Pakistani women from 2020 to 2022 across a range of academic disciplines and in accordance with existing eligibility criteria. And the picture you can see, I am Malala. Okay, Malala Yousafzai, book of Malala Yousafzai, I am Malala. Okay, and she was the see, it is also mentioned here, winner of the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, and do you know who is the winner of the first Nobel Peace Prize? If you know, please mention in the comment section. Very important question from the exam point of view, not banking exams but other exams. Nobel Peace Prize जो है इसका फर्स्ट विनर कौन था? Who is the winner of the Nobel first winner of the Nobel Peace Prize? Very important question. If you know the answer, please mention in the comment section. Okay, who won the first Nobel Peace Prize? Next, recently who has sworn in as the, and please take a note that I check all the comments. Okay, the admin of this channel, I and then Deepan sir, fine, we all check the comments. If we say that please mention this in the comment section, answer this, then be rest assured that we will definitely check. Okay, we will check your answers. I will definitely check, so please mention in the comment section. Recently, who was sworn in as the new Chief Justice of the Common Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? Very important from the exam point of view. So इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर है पंकज मित्तल. Okay. Recently, who released the action agenda for Atmanirbhar Bharat prepared by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, TIFAC, TIFAC in short, Technology Information and Forecasting Assessment Council. So answer will be Dr. Harshvardhan. Okay, Dr. Harshvardhan. Name the country that will launch the world's first, again important, world's first wood-based space satellite by the year 2023 in order to combat the issue of space junk. Okay, so research is going on, what type of wood will be suitable for it. So the answer will be Japan. Japan is going to launch the first wood-based space satellite by the year 2023. Okay, please try to remember this important fact. Okay, who has recently been awarded a Guard of Honor at Republic of Korea Army headquarters at Gyeonggi in South Korea. So this is also an important question from the exam point of view, be it any exam, state PSC exam, railways exam, SSC exam, or banking mains, SBI PO mains, IPS PO mains, or the clerk mains. Okay, so my answer will be General Manoj Mukund Naravane. Okay, General Manoj Mukund Naravane. Okay, next, where did Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurate the country's first of its kind migrant worker cell? The country's first of its kind migrant worker cell. So it has been inaugurated in Surat, Gujarat. Okay, Surat, Gujarat, right? So name of the place or the state can be given. Okay, to recapitalize, which of the following bank the government of India has issued rupees 5,500 crore in zero coupon bonds? 5,500 crore in zero coupon bonds. So answer क्या हो जाएगा इसका? Very important again, if you are a banking aspirant. Okay, the answer will be Punjab and Sindh Bank. Okay, name the insurance company that recently partnered with Jammu and Kashmir government for PMJ Sehat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Sehat. Okay, so very important, this insurance company is Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, and this is the full form is Social Endeavor for Health and Telemedicine. सेहत का full form यही है, ठीक है, Social Endeavor for Health and Telemedicine, right? So this is again a screenshot from the newspaper. You can just have a look for your reference. It will help you to remember, isn't it? Next, recently PM Modi inaugurated the Kochi Mangaluru natural gas pipeline. Okay, CNG. Okay, compressed natural gas, that is. So natural gas pipeline which has been constructed by, so ये जो कोची मैंगलुरु natural gas pipeline है CNG transmission के लिए, so this has been constructed by which company, which PSU? The answer will be GAIL. Okay, very important. Have a look. This is the news from the Hindustan Times. Yes, Hindustan Times. See, Kochi Mangaluru gas pipeline will boost economic growth in Kerala and Karnataka, right? So PM Modi inaugurated it. Okay, PM Modi has inaugurated it. So some important facts, GAIL related facts. CEO Shri Manoj Jain. Okay, headquarters New Delhi and founded August 1984. Recently, Dash has been honored with OBE, Officer of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire, in 2021 New Year's honors by Queen Elizabeth II. Another important question from the exam point of view. So, what will be the answer? The answer will be Dr. Raghuram Pillarisetti. Okay, Dr. Raghuram, he is an Indian origin surgeon. Okay, Dr. Raghuram Pillarisetti conferred with Orders of the British Empire Award. Okay, you can just have a look here. See, this particular award was instituted in 1917 by King George V. Okay, so this is an important one. And 54-year-old Padma Shri awardee Dr. Raghuram Pillarisetti. So this is also important from the exam point of view, right? He is also a Padma Shri awardee. Okay, so this can be asked in which year had he received the Padma Shri, but generally they don't ask such questions in banking exams, right? They may ask in state PSC exams. Okay, right. Next, at which IIT did Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually lay the foundation stone for Tihan Foundation Technology Innovation Hub? Technology Innovation Hub. So इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? देखिए, तिहान. So ये H पे जोर है. Okay, there is a stress on this H. Tihan Foundation Technology Innovation Hub. So H से ही आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. आंसर विल बी IIT हैदराबाद. ठीक है. सो ऐसे जब मैं क्वेश्चंस का आंसर डिस्कस करता हूँ तो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ थोड़ा शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स दे दूँ कि ताकि आपको जो फैक्ट्स है वो आपको अच्छे से याद रहे. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन रिमेंबर द फैक्ट्स. तिहान, H से कैपिटल एंड H पे थोड़ा स्ट्रेस है. सो आंसर विल स्टार्ट विथ H. IIT हैदराबाद, isn't it? Very important. Who has recently launched the M Pension app for pensioners? M Pension app for the pensioners. So किसने लॉन्च किया है रिसेंटली ये? So answer will be N Biren Singh. Who is he? He is none other than the Chief Minister of Manipur. So examiner आपको घुमा के ये भी पूछ सकता है कि which state has launched it. ये तो सीधा क्वेश्चन हो गया आपका. Which state has launched it? Manipur. So घुमा के ऐसा पूछ सकता है जो मैंने दिया है. Who has launched it? So it is none other than N Biren Singh. ठीक है. Next, with which Metro Railway Corporation has DRDO signed MOU by which DRDO will provide technical support for the treatment of human waste in the metro rail network? Quite important, isn't it? Another important question. So इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा बताइए. So इसका आंसर होगा आपका महाराष्ट्र मेट्रो रेल कॉर्पोरेशन. Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation. Okay. Next, which state has recently launched the Kishan Kalyan Mission to double farmers' income? So farmers' income ये double करने के लिए ये launch किया गया है. So किस राज्य ने ये launch किया है? My answer will be UP, Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh has launched it, isn't it? Uttar Pradesh. Next, recently who has launched Toycathon 2021 along with Toycathon portal? Along with Toycathon portal क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका both B and C, that is स्मृति ईरानी and Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, both of them has launched it. B and C, okay, both of them has launched it. They have launched it together. Okay, next, Dash has signed MOU with Indian Army for Shaurya salary account. Shaurya salary account, इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर होगा बंधन बैंक. ओके, बंधन बैंक. Tata Power has joined hands with which bank for the rooftop solar financing for MSMEs? Tata Power has joined hands with which bank? So my answer will be SIDBI. Okay, कैसे आपको याद रखना है? हाँ, आप कैसे याद रखेंगे SIDBI? कि इसका आंसर SIDBI होगा. देखिए, सेबी तो नहीं हो सकता. Why? Because it will be related to any news related to stock exchange, stock market. Okay, SBI नहीं होगा. कुछ बड़ा सोचिए. सो एस से सोलर, एस से क्या शुरू होता है? जो ऑप्शंस है इसमें कौन सा एस से शुरू होता है? SIDBI. सो इस तरह से याद रखिएगा, ठीक है? ओके, सो SIDBI headquarters is in Lucknow. So this is also an important fact, right? So answer is SIDBI. Next, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Recently, who has launched the first of its kind Freight Business Development Portal? Freight Business Development Portal. Another important question. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका पीयूष गोयल. Railways launches Freight Business Development Portal, one-stop cargo solution for seamless good transportation. Okay, Piyush Goyal. With which country will India sign MOC? What is MOC? It is Memorandum of Cooperation. MOU is Memorandum of Understanding and MOC is Memorandum of Cooperation for partnership in specified skilled worker, and MOC is a less formal agreement. Okay, right, usually of an administrative or technical nature, right, of limited duration. ये limited duration के लिए होता है MOC. So इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा जापान. Right, specified skilled worker, Japan. Next, name the state that has recently rolled out the Launchpad scheme. Another important question, very important from the exam point of view. Under which new opportunities for employment will be provided to the youth? Launchpad scheme. ठीक है, सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका मध्य प्रदेश. Launchpad. Madhya Pradesh rolls out Launchpad scheme to make youth self-reliant, Atmanirbhar, self-reliant, right? Who has been appointed the first Deputy Secretary of All India Football Federation? All India Football Federation. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? What is the answer to this particular question? So, first Deputy Secretary of All India Football Federation is Abhishek Yadav. Okay, Abhishek Yadav. And All India Football Federation का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? प्रफुल्ल पटेल. एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज सुब्रत दत्त. ओके, Dash has received orders worth 758 crores from the Defence Ministry for supplying high mobility vehicles to the Indian Army. ये जो हाई मोबिलिटी व्हीकल्स होता है, सो इसके लिए ये कौन सा है? इसमें इनमें से कौन सा कंपनी है जिसने ये ऑर्डर रिसीव किया है? 758 crores का ऑर्डर है. सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा भारत अर्थ मूवर्स लिमिटेड, BEML. हेडक्वार्टर्स बेंगलुरु एंड फाउंडेड May 1964. Right, headquarters is more important than the founding year. Okay, so headquarters is in Bengaluru. Bharat Art Movers Limited, very important. Next, Dash signed USD, that is US dollar 105 million, which is approximately 767 crore. ठीक है, 767 crore project to improve inland water transport of West Bengal. So this becomes a very important one for West Bengal Civil Service or West Bengal PSC exams, and it is also important for exams like SSC, Railways or any banking mains exam. Okay, so इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका वर्ल्ड बैंक. वर्ल्ड बैंक commits 105 million to improve West Bengal waterways. ठीक है, right. So the loan from International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, the former name of World Bank, of course, right. Maturity of 17 years, including a grace period of 7 years. So चलिए next one देखते हैं. RBI has announced the introduction of legal entity identifier for payment transactions of dash and above. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, ये थोड़ा टफ लग सकता है आपको, ठीक है, but I have covered all the important questions from the mentioned dates. So क्या होगा इसका आंसर? It will be rupees 50 crore. Yes, rupees 50 crore and above, right? एक बार ये जो स्क्रीनशॉट है एक बार देख लीजिएगा. ओके, RBI makes legal entity identifier mandatory for transactions over 50 lakhs, right? Oh ho. For 50 lakhs and above. Okay, just a second. For 50 crores and above. Okay, so this is a printing mistake. It will be 50 crores and above. And 50 lakhs in CPS perhaps, but this is correct. So please ignore it, else you will be confused. Okay, see, it is mentioned here 50 crore. Okay, so it is for 50 crore and above, not 50 lakhs. Okay, next, the world's largest floating solar energy. एक्चुअली मैं ये जो न्यूज़ है मैं हिंदू से लिया था, और ये जो पेपर कटिंग है मनी कंट्रोल न्यूज़ से है. ओके, सो ये मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया, 50 lakhs यहाँ पे लिखा है. सो इट विल बी 50 crores and above. See, it is also mentioned here. Okay, 50 lakhs in CPS, right? And the payment transactions of 50 crores and above. The payment transactions of 50 crores will be considered, and this is in CPS. So ये मत देखिएगा, else you will get confused. Okay, do not look at the heading. Fine, झट से आप देख लेंगे तो 50 lakhs दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. Answer will be 50 crores. यहाँ पे लिखा है साफ साफ. The world's largest floating solar energy project is going to be constructed in Khandwa district. So Khandwa district is in which state? Another important question, because this is the world's largest floating solar energy project. So my answer will be Madhya Pradesh, right? This is being constructed at Omkareshwar Dam on Narmada River. It will begin power generation by the year 2022-23, right? And who is funding this project? Madhya Pradesh government in tie-up with World Bank, of course, right? World Bank is funding it. Next, PM Modi flagged off the world's first double stack long haul 1.5 kilometer container train between which two stations? So I just checked it last Friday, I guess. Yes, this is the news from either Thursday or Friday. So I just I had watched it, right, on the Ministry of Railways official Facebook page. So I just checked the video, wonderful video, right? So it is the first double stack long haul container between which two stations? It is New Ateli to Kishangarh. Okay, New Ateli to Kishangarh, right? So ये भी पूछ सकता है examiner, who has flagged it off? So answer will be PM Modi. Next, Dash has become India's first urban cooperative bank to convert into small finance bank under voluntary transition scheme, right? Under this voluntary transition scheme, ये जो cooperative bank है, जो मेरा आंसर हो जाएगा, it can convert itself to small finance bank. So next इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? Small finance bank. पर आंसर क्या है? आंसर है शिवालिक मर्सेंटाइल कोऑपरेटिव बैंक. सो आगे से इसका नाम हो जाएगा शिवालिक स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, राइट. नेक्स्ट, फॉर अपग्रेडिंग द स्टेट हाईवे नेटवर्क एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड नेटवर्क ऑफ विच स्टेट इंडिया हैज साइंड 2 loan agreements worth $646 million with New Development Bank, right, NDB. So what will be my answer? My answer will be Andhra Pradesh, right. Have a look. Important facts: the Marine Products Export Development Authority, right, headquartered in Kochi, has launched a multilingual call center for aquafarmers at Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. So since my answer is Andhra Pradesh, I have added some important fact, something that was in news recently, right. So first call center for aquafarmers, it has been set up in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, right. It will address the technical issues, their technical issues and impart knowledge about efficient farming methods, right. And I have also mentioned some important schemes of Andhra Pradesh, like YSR Kanti Velugu scheme, Jagannath Cherudu scheme, right? Jagannath Vasati Divana scheme, YSR Matsyakar Bharosa scheme, Jalakala scheme, right? Jagannath Thodu scheme. These are some of the important schemes of Andhra Pradesh, right? As per UK-based firm Top 10 VPN, which country has suffered the biggest economic impact in the world in 2020 due to internet shutdown? So another important question, because the answer is none other than India. Our country has suffered huge economic impact, right? Economic losses due to internet shutdown, right, in 2020. So answer is India. Next one, and the last question of the day: name the bank that has signed an MOU with SIDBI to enable MSME customers to apply online for one-time restructuring. Okay, that is OTR. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? The answer is Bank of Baroda, right? Headquarters is in Vadodara, right? And Bank of Baroda, what is the tagline of Bank of Baroda? Tagline of Bank of Baroda, if you know, then well and good. So I'm mentioning the tagline: India's international bank, right? India's इंटरनेशनल बैंक, ठीक है, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा का जो टैगलाइन है. नेक्स्ट, these are the important days, very few important days we are covering today because there are less number of important days here. So National Good Governance Day, of course you must be knowing, right? National Good Governance Day, whose birthday is it? National Good Governance Day is the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, isn't it? So 25th December was National Good Governance Day, isn't it? And 4th January, United Nations World Braille Day. Fine. So through Braille language, you all know that the visually impaired persons can easily learn something, right? Easily find out anything, right? Through Braille language. Quite important, right? So this is the World Braille Day, 4th January. And 6th January, World Day of War Orphans, Orphans of War, isn't it? So 2021 is 6th January, World Day of War Orphans. And you will get the PDF on our Telegram channel, as you all know, right? Telegram channel का नाम क्या है? Exigence Educator. Just search it, you will get it. Fine. And the admin will upload the PDF. And please, if you are new to this channel, do like this video and subscribe to this channel, right? And in the PDF you will get this link. What is this link for? To read the daily current affairs in detailed manner, right? You will get daily current affairs in detailed manner free of cost. Okay, it is free for all. So you can just click on this link, you will get all the detailed news of every day. Okay, you can also download our app from the Play Store. You will get daily current affairs in details there, right? So I wish you all the best for all your upcoming exams. Fine. So let's meet on the next session. Till then, God bless you guys and take care.